In this video, we will talk about free fall. In free fall, we know that d, distance, is equal to 1/2 g, gravity, t squared. We also know from the acceleration that final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration times time. In free fall, we can assume that a is equal to g, and g is equal to 9.8 meters per second squared. The first type of free fall problem that you can do is throwing a ball downward. Find the speed of a ball that is thrown down with an initial speed of 25 meters per second. How far will it travel in 4 seconds? In this problem, we are given that the initial speed is 25 meters per second. The time is 4 seconds. We want to know the final speed, and we always know gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Our formula is going to be Vf equals Vi plus At. So we're going to have Vf equals 25 meters per second plus 4 seconds times 9.8. If we were to solve that out, 9.8 times 4 seconds is going to be 39.2 meters per second plus another 25 meters per second is going to give us a final speed of 64.2 meters per second. The second half of this problem asks how far will it travel? So here we're looking for distance. In order to find distance, you need to find the average speed of fall. Average speed, which is written with V with the line over it, average speed is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2. Our final velocity was 64.2 meters per second plus the initial velocity was 25 meters per second. Divide that by 2. And our average speed is equal to 44.6 meters per second. At this point, we are given average speed is 44.6 meters per second, time is 4 seconds, and we're looking for the distance. Distance is going to equal average speed times time. We use the average speed because we can't use the initial speed, that was only at the beginning, and we can't use the final speed because that's only at the end. So distance is going to be 44.6 meters per second times the time of 4 seconds, and we're going to get a total distance traveled of 178.4 meters.